Well, look what I found on the bench today. It looks like Leon's tender in red. This is a penultimate test assembly tune of the final designs in red. Then once approved, we print it in black, rebuild it, and it goes to him. So there you are. 6-wheel trucks, brass wheels, 4-wheel pickup on each truck, so you got 8-wheel pickup. It's a new design. It's not complete. We got some details we want to add to it, but that's the general shape. It follows the Northern Hudson 6-wheel tender look and feel, kind of. We tested the rolling situation, fine. It doesn't scoot like it used to because these silver wires are rubbing on the axle. Oh, pardon me. And the friction of that causes it to drag a little more than it did earlier, but it still rolls quite fine. We're getting ready to put the soundboards in. Then we're going to organize and put in the buck boost boards. And then we have to do the wiring and the speaker and potentially the fan. And then we are going to fit the body. And in the course of doing this, we will, of course, hook it up to the engine and make sure it still works. Right. So that's the plan. It's 4:30. It's taken me at least 2 days longer because of some operator or what errors, but I had a problem with my CAD program being real slow, and then I had a problem with my printer not behaving, and then I found out it was an anomaly in one of my CAD pictures where I had like a thread sticking up somewhere in a part and I couldn't see it. It was so thin, but it was causing the printer to behave funny. And I finally figured that out. Andy was on with me, thank God. Well, check your part, something's sticking up. And sure enough, something was sticking up. It was actually behind the scenes. I didn't even see it, but got that figured out. We're back. Everything's printing beautifully again. And we're making adjustments as we go. I've made 5 or 6 modifications of everything you see here already, especially the trucks. There's still a modification yet to go, but we're going to use these for now and move out. So here we go, installing the Chuff soundboards and the buck boost boards and wiring the tender for operation. That's the plan, Sam. About an hour. See ya.